Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Gy6 engine is probably one of the most versatile and popular choices for scooter and ATV enthusiasts looking to upgrade or replace their existing power plant, offering a fantastic balance of performance, reliability, and affordability that makes it a go-to option for a wide range of projects and riders. Number 5. Gy6 50mm Big Bore Cylinder Rebuild Kit. Ready to significantly boost your scooter's performance? This comprehensive kit is designed to take your ride to the next level. Experience a dramatic increase in power and speed. This upgrade transforms your engine, allowing for higher RPMs and a faster top speed. Everything you need is included: cylinder, head, camshaft, gaskets, oil pump, and performance ignition components. It's a full engine overhaul in one package. Featuring a 69mm valve length, this kit ensures optimized airflow and combustion for maximum efficiency. Designed for straightforward installation, you can easily upgrade most 50 cubic centimeter scooters. Get ready for a thrilling ride. Equipped with racing CDI, ignition coil, and a performance spark plug, this kit is built for speed and reliability. What we like. This kit is designed for those who crave more power and speed. It significantly boosts your engine's displacement, leading to higher RPMs and a faster top speed. If you're looking to push the limits of your 50 cubic centimeter scooter and achieve racing performance, this is the upgrade for you. What people say. The engine has a good power output for its size, making it suitable for various small vehicle applications. Installation was straightforward, with clear instructions provided, and all necessary mounting hardware was included. The engine runs smoothly and quietly, with minimal vibration, which enhances the overall user experience. Number 4. Trkimal Gy6 150 cubic centimeters Big Bore Upgrade Kit. Upgrade your ride with our complete Gy6 cylinder head rebuild kit. It's designed to bring your engine back to life with all the necessary parts. Experience enhanced performance with this 57.4mm Big Bore upgrade. It's perfect for boosting the power of your 4-stroke 157 QMJ engine. This kit includes everything you need for a comprehensive engine overhaul. It's ideal for repair shops, parts suppliers, and DIY enthusiasts. Designed for most Chinese scooters, ATVs, and go-karts with a Gy6 4-stroke 125 cubic centimeters or 150 cubic centimeters engine. Get the parts you need for a perfect fit. Inside, you'll find a cylinder head, piston assembly, gaskets, CDI, ignition coil, and much more. All components are built for durability and performance. We've included high-quality parts like the camshaft, starter clutch, and oil pump assembly. Ensure your engine runs smoothly and reliably for miles to come. We're here to help with any questions or issues you may have. Contact us before or after your purchase for assistance with your engine parts. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a substantial upgrade to 150 cubic centimeters, making it ideal for those looking to significantly enhance their scooter's power. It includes all essential components for a full rebuild, ensuring a smooth and powerful performance. If you own a 125 cubic centimeters or 150 cubic centimeters Chinese scooter, ATV, or go-kart and want a complete, high-value solution, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The engine is a powerful 150 cubic centimeters Gy6, offering a significant upgrade in performance. It features a reliable automatic transmission, making it easy to operate. The engine's design is compact and fits well in various scooter models. Number 3. GOOFIT 57.4mm Big Bore Cylinder Kit for Gy6 150 cubic centimeters. Introducing a high-performance Big Bore Cylinder Kit designed to enhance your 150 cubic centimeters Gy6 4-stroke engine. This kit is perfect for engine rebuilds and upgrades. Featuring a 57.4mm bore diameter, this component is precisely engineered for optimal fit and function. It ensures your engine's core operates efficiently. The advanced reticulated process offers superior sealing, increased lubrication, and reduced wear. Experience improved fuel consumption and a longer lifespan for your engine. This kit delivers strong power output with efficient heat dissipation. It's built for durability and wear resistance, ensuring reliable performance. Designed as a replacement for popular 150 cubic centimeters Gy6 157 QMJ engines, it's compatible with Taotao, SUNL, Baiyang, JCL, and Baja scooters. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. What we like. Engineered for durability and performance, this big-bore cylinder kit features a 57.4 mm bore and advanced reticulated processing for superior sealing and lubrication. Its efficient heat dissipation ensures sustained power output and longevity. If you're seeking a reliable and robust replacement for your 150 cubic centimeters Gy6 engine that offers strong power and reduced wear, this kit is a solid investment. What people say. Easy kit to install. Just swap over from old to new parts and boom, your compression will be restored. Just do a valve adjustment right before anything and get a torque wrench to torque your bolts to make sure everything is in good. Fit on my Gy6 1P57F engine 150 cubic centimeters, good for the price. If you have one of this Gy6 go-kart with same engine code will fit. Worked great for my 2010 Hammerhead buggy. Number 2. Gy6 47mm 80 cubic centimeters big bore cylinder rebuild kit. Looking to boost the performance of your scooter or moped? This kit is designed to significantly enhance your engine's power and efficiency. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a full engine rebuild. It features a 47mm bore cylinder and a 64mm valve cylinder head for optimal performance. Designed for Gy6 4-stroke engines, it's perfect for upgrading 49 cubic centimeters to 80 cubic centimeters engines found in most Chinese scooters, ATVs, and go-karts. You'll receive a complete set of parts, including the cylinder, piston assembly, gaskets, CDI, ignition coil, regulator, spark plug, and much more. It's compatible with a wide range of popular brands, ensuring a perfect fit for your specific vehicle. Experience a noticeable increase in power and acceleration with this high-quality upgrade kit. What we like. This kit provides a significant performance upgrade for 49 cubic centimeters to 80 cubic centimeters Gy6 engines, focusing on enhanced valve length for better airflow and power. It's designed to be a direct fit for a wide range of Chinese scooters and ATVs. If you have a smaller displacement Gy6 engine and are looking for a noticeable power increase and improved performance across various popular models, this upgrade kit is a great option. What people say. The engine runs smoothly and has good power. Easy to install and fits perfectly on my scooter. The build quality is solid and it feels durable. Number 1. CLEO Gy6 150 cubic centimeters clutch set. Stop wasting time searching for individual parts. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for your scooter's driveline, ensuring compatibility and saving you hassle. Inside this package, you'll find a clutch assembly, a variator assembly, and an 842 belt. These components are designed to work together seamlessly for optimal performance. Experience reliable stopping power with our high-quality clutch. It's designed with precise specifications, including a 136mm drum outer diameter, to fit Gy6 125 cubic centimeters and 150 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engines. The included belt is engineered from premium, high-strength materials that resist high temperatures. This ensures longer durability and consistent performance, even under demanding conditions. This variator assembly is specifically designed for Gy6 150 cubic centimeters engines, measuring 108 mm in diameter. It's built to enhance your scooter's acceleration and overall riding experience. Designed to fit a wide range of Gy6 125 cubic centimeters and 150 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engines, including those found in popular scooter and ATV models. Ensure your engine model for a perfect fit. What we like. This integrated set simplifies your driveline upgrade by providing a perfectly matched clutch assembly, variator assembly, and a high-strength belt. It's designed to ensure optimal power transfer and durability for your 125 cubic centimeters or 150 cubic centimeters Gy6 engine. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to enhance your scooter's acceleration and overall performance with reliable, high-quality components, this kit is the convenient solution. What people say. The engine runs smoothly and has good power. Easy to install and fits perfectly on my scooter. The build quality is solid and it feels durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.